Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off sound from your Minion Rush application. To turn off the sound in Minion Rush, first of all launch the Minion Rush game on your mobile device open. From the main homepage, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Look for the sound settings under volume, where you can see the music and sound effects option. If you've enabled music and sound effects on your game, you will be able to see the music and sound effects options filled with green colors. In order to turn off or lower the volume of the music and sound effects, simply click on the minus icon on either side of the options. Just make sure that the music and sound effects volume is turned off, and once you do that, you will be able to turn off sound effect from your Minion Rush game. After you are done, you can exit the settings menu and continue with your game. Your game should now be muted with both the sound effects and background music turned off. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.